No crack line there.
Oh, you bugger. Gotta get me some flappy paddles. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yes guys, and welcome back to the channel. So we're down Shanklin Promenade. Look at that view. Got the arcade over there. So on the Facebook page we dropped a little meet out and we're gonna have a little walk around and show you what's actually turned up, guys. Obviously we are still on the IOW Takeover, but this is midweek, so we're just gonna have a little wander around and show you what cars we've got here in this car meet that's turned out from a little post that we put on Facebook. Lovely old little BMW just leaving. Another BMW leaving, but this one's a little bit newer. Right, so let's have a look around the cars, guys. Got a nicely modded Mark 7 Fiesta there, ST. Quite a few Fords have come along tonight. Everybody runs when the camera comes out, don't they? Another ST there. Astra VXR. We've got this Audi on here. A few orange STs. This one's just started up.
Yeah, we can.
We're going to be moving in a minute.
Got Dory here. So that's pretty much the Ford section. And we come around the corner, we've got more Fords. Got this GT86. We know this car, this is Glenn. The Astra's off. Luke's here in his MR2. Our Mondeo R32 Golf, parked next to a supercharged Mini. At the side of that we've got this IS200. Some more STs here, along with a Transit.
Is it working?
Another Fiesta ST. Mark 5 Zetec S. You don't see these much anymore. Parked next to a Yaris. Got those little cars there, look again. Then there's this little Fiesta parked over here, which is super clean. It's looking good. Hyundai. Plenty of Fords here tonight. Got this Golf. Another Golf. And we've got music playing, so we're going to have to keep talking now. Got a nice lineup over here. Scirocco, Volvo, BMW. A few cars dotted over here in the corner. We'll just include everybody. And then we'll show you this other row. As we've got Scott's highly modified Mark 6 Fiesta ST. A few STs lined up here. Next to two BMWs. And a Skoda Fabia with a load of stickers on it. It's very loud. Had to slow down for the speed. This is a highly modified one. Big audio system built in on that one. There's some pink side lights. Whoa, it scrapes! See you, mate. There's my friend Dennis, all the way over from Germany, and his left-hand drive, highly modified Focus ST. He's just trying to get over the speed hump there, look. Good evening. All right, mate. Got a few cars leaving now, guys. Yeah, that sounds nice. Right then, guys, this leads us to the end of the Isle of Wight series. Unfortunately, the camera did go flat at this point, but I'd just like to thank you all for watching the series. Make sure you've liked the videos, you've checked out the previous videos, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. See you soon.